Hello everyone, it's Michelle Mitten Prepper. I wanted to share with you a clearance grocery haul that I found at one of my Krogers that I usually go to. I usually am always hunting my certain stores, and I know where they hide all the goodies that they put on clearance because I usually will gather these for donating to quite a few different food pantries. There is a video up about the free fridge and pantry that we have downtown in my city, which is right attached to the police station that gets emptied like every single day, multiple times a day. But anyhow, I went through Kroger and found these goodies, which it's kind of crazy that they discount these, but that is fine because I will take them. So, snacks galore back here. Pringles of various flavors. There's the cheddar cheese, barbecue, and original. And these, of course, they have some smashed areas on them, but they're 89 cents each, which the regular price was $1.79, and they are well within their date. It's used by June 2023. So I grabbed all that they had of the chips to drop off. This is a 6-pack of Fiji water, which I love this water, by the way, but I would never spend the money on, oops, I don't want to knock this over. But this was $4.49 on clearance. The regular price of this is $8.99 for 6 bottles of water. But it was a good deal for me to get that one to donate, because I'm sure that some people would like a bottle of water. Cereal, they had a cart full of cereal on clearance. I only grabbed one. I was going to grab some other ones, but I wanted to get one that was more fiber and not quite as much sugar, but that's not my choice, what people eat. But this is a huge 1 pound, 2 ounce box of frosted mini wheats, and $2.19 was a clearance price. I don't know what the regular price was, but I believe it's cereal is outrageously expensive. The best by date is November 2022. Then there is a box of lower sugar, maple brown sugar instant oatmeal. 8 packages in there. The box is smashed up a little bit. Clearance price $1.99, regular $3.99. So I picked that up to donate. I found 1 jar of marinara sauce, which this is something I would normally stock for myself. The best by date, I'm trying to read it. It's hard to read it on this thing. Hold on, let me see. Best by September of 2023. Again, everything is like a year, more than a year from now, and it was $1.29 on clearance. Regular price was $2.59. I found seasoned salt on clearance. I don't know why, but best by date, April 2023. They were 99 cents each. This is an expensive seasoned salt, so totally great. Peter Pan peanut butter. Best by date is February 2023. Clearance price $1.39. Regular price $2.69. I grabbed the 3 that they had. Cheez-Its. This one, yes, it looks like somebody punted it like a football across the room, but it is still intact. Best by date April of 2023. I grabbed 3 of them. There were a lot more, but I just got 3. They're $1.49. Clearance price regular $2.99. These boxes aren't quite as smashed. This one was the funniest one. It was like, oh my goodness, they must have just stepped on that one and instantly slapped a clearance sticker on it. So then the Kind bars, there's 5 in here. It is still sealed up. This is peanut butter and dark chocolate. Sorry about the light there. Clearance price was $1.79. Regular $3.49. Oy, yay, yay. Best by date January 2023. And then there's 2 chocolate chip and 1 peanut butter of these Kroger brand of chewy dipped sugary filled bars, but I don't care. That's food that people can use. Best by dates are April of 2023. And these were priced at 79 cents per box. Regular price $1.49. So All of these items are clearance items that I gathered up that are shelf stable. And except for peanut butter, if I donate more to the downtown pantry and fridge, it's been a problem there, but my heart still tells me to do certain things, so I will still do it. But I may donate some of the things to one organization and some to another. We'll just see. I'm going to be heading out today and see what else I can find. I do have some other items just from my own pantry that I've been going through that, yeah, I rotate. I have a large rotating pantry, and there's just some foods that I get on either sale, clearance, they're free items with a coupon, and I just set them aside. So I'll probably gather up more of those and donate those as well. But anyhow, let me know if you have a store in your area that has some really good clearance deals quite often lately, and what is it that they're putting on clearance. There was a video I had accidentally got erased. Oh, so bummed. But it was a ton of meat items of all kinds that was on clearance at Kroger. And I did post it, I believe. Check for it. It's Kroger, and it was the day before the next sale came out. So check for that video for my Kroger meat clearance deals that were there that I saw. But anyhow, let me know if you have a store or favorite store that you like to find items like this that are perfectly fine. I'm sure those chips, yes, they're always broken in there anyway, whether they're smashed or not. So, why not get them for 89 cents instead of full price? But anyhow, if you have some other good information to share with me, I'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, please, and consider subscribing to my channel. And you all have a blessed day. I love you all. Keep prepping for your family and stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Have a great day.